What's up, baby? Ricky Android here. So the Nokia 9 PureView was arguably one of the most unique smartphone released last year thanks to its penta-camera setup, but unfortunately, the smartphone somehow failed to attract audience due to not having some extra features, and I would say just making a smartphone with top-end chipset is not enough. People nowadays want a good-looking display as well as some unique features that makes their smartphone different than others. And now it seems like Nokia realized that, and it is making its next smartphone, the Nokia 9.3 PureView, truly an amazing smartphone, especially when it comes to the cameras. Well, that's because according to a source which is close to the company, said that the Nokia 9.3 is featuring a massive 108 megapixel main camera, a 64 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, which is a massive upgrade as compared to the Nokia 9. Also, the Nokia 9.3 is expected to be one of the very first smartphone to feature an under-display selfie camera. I know Xiaomi and other companies showcase smartphone with this technology, but those were not the actual smartphone that people can buy, but some concepts. Also, the smartphone will feature a 120Hz refresh rate screen, which is great as well. So overall, the Nokia 9.3 PureView will be an amazing smartphone. With that being said, I've got another amazing news which makes this smartphone different than most of the other high-end smartphones, and that is 8K video recording. Yes, you hear me right. According to the Nokia Power User, the Nokia 9.3 PureView will be capable of recording videos in 4K 30 frames per second, a feature that only select smartphones currently offer, such as the Samsung Galaxy S20 series, Mi 10 Pro, and few other smartphones. And guys, in a simple words, the Nokia 9.3 will be capable of taking videos which is like 4 times better than usual 4K videos. But guys, let's be honest, 8K video recording is good, but it's not useful right now because a lot of people still don't actually shoot in 4K, and this massive 8K video is still far away to watch, because for watching stuff which is recorded in 8K, you need to have an expensive 8K TV. But still, it's good to have at least some amazing features like it. Furthermore, according to some leaksters, the Nokia 9.3 will look similar to the Nokia's 1020. Yes, it seems like Nokia is adopting the same design language as their Windows smartphone back there. And let's be honest, overall design of the Nokia's Windows phone back there was premium and amazing. And I'm definitely waiting for this smartphone. So yeah. What do you think about the upcoming Nokia 9.3 PureView? Do let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, consider subscribing. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.